e te whānau o Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, tēnā koutou katoa. Firstly, I would like to acknowledge you all for your commitment to our wānanga and to our tauira. During the year, I was able to visit a number of our campuses and sites throughout the takiwā to see firsthand the effort that is made to ensure our mission of tauira success is something that continues to humble me. It was encouraging to see a strong response to our annual Tauira Experience Survey. Tauira continue to rate their experience with Te Wānanga o Aotearoa very highly, with 97% saying they would recommend us to their whānau and friends. Thanks must rightly go to our kaiako, whom our tauira consistently hold in high regard. And clearly, it is all of you, our kaimahi, that make Te Wānanga o Aotearoa an inspiring place to study. While we had a number of highlights this year, 2017 was tempered with sadness with the passing of some of our whānau, including our mārekura, Auntie Ma. Auntie Ma played a significant part in reshaping the educational landscape in our country. Our thoughts and condolences were also with the whānau of all other kaimahi whom we lost over the last year. Nō reira, rātou te hunga kua okioki, rātou te hunga kua wahangu, rātou te hunga kua whetūrangitia, hari atu rā, whakuiti atu. 2017 was a year in which we sponsored major events, including the Wakaama Nationals at Karapiro and Rotorua, the ASB Polyfest in Manukau, and Te Matatini, Te Kahu o Te Amorangi in Hastings. Our Mahu and Māori initiative grew exponentially this year to include more than 1,000 people, both here and overseas, all of whom are committed to strengthening their te reo Māori proficiency. During the year, a contingent of Te Wānanga o Aotearoa kaimahi travelled to the WIPSI conference in Toronto, Canada. This was a precursor to our own Rangahau conference, He Whare Kōrero, ko Manawa Tina, ko Manawa Toka, held in Kirikiriroa in October.
But we're also talking about the transformative action that we all have seen.
The 64 kai rangahau who submitted abstracts are enhancing our rangahau capability and capacity. The Mata Wānanga 2017 was held in Te Amutu, hosted by Te Puna Mātauranga. For the first time, our biennial tradition included sports, games and debates, in addition to the regular fixture of kapahaka. It was fantastic to see many more of our kaimahi able to come together in this expression of kotahitanga. We also hosted our second Disruptive by Nature Summit in Kirikiriroa that challenged kaimahi to disrupt their thinking about young people. Looking ahead to next year, a priority for Ngā Tumu and myself will be to ensure that our waka continues on the right path to our long-term strategy, Te Huarahi Tika ki te Pai Tawhiti 2027. In 2018, we will continue to track progress along our journey and also complete some important pieces of work. We will continue to prioritise educational achievement aimed at enhancing the teaching and learning experience and ultimately tauira success. I hope you all enjoy a safe and well-deserved break with your whānau, and I look forward to seeing you in 2018.